Vip, the second largest telco in Croatia, needed to make its new youth offer relevant and appealing to new generations. That's why we decided to forget about commercials and make something our target group would actually want to listen to. We turned to Croatian trip-hop group High Five to help us create content about the digital everyday that will catapult Vip into pop culture. The result was an underground music hit titled Vipme Nema, up for grabs. We introduced the song with a pop-up gig live streamed by selected influencers all over the country. A few days later, the music video was made available to the public through a combination of print and digital media. Our posters have put NFC technology in commercial use for the first time. High Five's music video Up for Grabs was premiered via street posters, and 48 hours later it was broadcasted on YouTube. The song has given us over 200,000 organic hits and made the trending list after only 2 days. The campaign put High Five and our song on radio stations, reaching an audience of more than 1 million. Our social media presence resulted in the creation of the Up for Grabs hashtag, which continues to live on. The campaign placed Vip in the heart of youth culture, and most importantly, it successfully communicated the message that from now on, all Vip youth offers are up for grabs.